Do it again, James. Do the whole thing. Do the full body. Yeah! Keep counting, Joe. Keep counting, Joe. You're his personal trainer. What? Is that how your face got so flat, Jamie? Boo! More, Jamie. Okay, just do the counting for Jamie. Oh, James, lift it up over your head. That's all kinds of good exercise. James, lift it up over your head. Oh, yeah. Okay, do one more. Booyah! Okay, James, do something cool for the grand finale. Oh, hitting your sister is not a grand finale.